Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be finishing up our different types of poems. I will be out of the classroom. I will be in another room doing lesson planning, and this will happen every Wednesday. So, my friends who are at school, please make sure you are on your best behavior for our substitute. Please make sure that you complete all of your work. And if you have any questions, you can send me a message. Again, if you have questions, not just to send a message that says, "Hi, Mrs. Sakaria, what are you doing?" Please make sure you stay focused on your work and try your best to get all of it done within our 70-minute block. The answer to yesterday's riddle is a comb. Today's riddle is, I am often following you and copying your every move, yet you can never touch me or catch me. What am I? Let me know on this slide.